guys, this is DJ Wit76 bringing you a sound effect video. Today I'm going to bring you my top 2 favourite sound effects. Here's number 1. Okay, that was my second favourite. That was my second favourite. That was number 2. So, you're going to have to hang on with me for a sec. It won't be too long. But I will get a new song on. And I actually have a couple. These are my favourite 2. And these are my favourite 2, but I will give you some different ones as well in this video. So coming in at number 2 is, one sec, not that one, sorry, this, I think it's this one sec. Oh, 1 second, guys. So please just subscribe. Okay, here we go, I think. I'm not too sure, but I think it's the one. It should be because it's 1 minute, 3 seconds. Sorry, it's buffering, guys. And here's one of, well, this is like my 3rd favourite, which I didn't want to do. But if you just cope for a second, I will see you when I've done. Here we go, guys. This is it. It's just loading.
Fatality.
So that was the video, and I will see you guys shortly. Bye.
Fatality.